Okay. What'd Holly do?
Wrap it up.
Wrapped what up? Christmas trees. What else did she do, Hayden? What else did she put toilet paper on? What did she do to Mia's door?
Wrap it up.
Wrapped it up? With what? With what? So she can't come in? Is Holly being silly today? Sloan, is Holly being silly today?
Yeah.
Is it funny?
Yeah.
Yes.
Like this. I want to hold that.
Okay, I'll get you one.
Hold that.
Hey, can you guys blow kisses?
No. Mama.
You want that?
No. You like that.
There's another one.
Yeah.
There's one for each of you.
Like this.
Right there.
I tried
The present. Why don't you pull your passies out so you can talk?
Baba.
You have Santa.
Yeah. Mine have a present.
You have a present. Hey, can you give each other hugs? Are you guys best friends? Pull your sleeves up like you.